Hello and welcome to the online video learning series provided by Streamline Solutions. In this video segment, we will be preparing our business contacts for importation into our new Microsoft Dynamics CRM employment. Our first task will be isolating our business contacts. This is especially useful if you have both business and personal contact records stored within Outlook. Once we have all of our business contacts in one place, we'll be exporting them into a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet, which we can then send to Streamline Solutions for importation into your CRM. The final step will be cleaning up our Outlook contact list. To get started, let's launch Microsoft Outlook. Okay, now that we have Outlook open on our desktop, we'll want to expand the accordion menu to the bottom left to expose the folder list option. Simply click on the folder list option, and now you see a full view of all of the folders stored within Microsoft Outlook. Now, the first step that we want to take is creating a new file folder in which to store our business contacts. Now, this file folder will contain all the business contacts we would like to import into our Microsoft Dynamics CRM deployment. So to do this, we simply right-click on the Personal Folders menu up here and choose New Folder. We'll give our folder a name. We'll call it Exportable Contacts. And for the Folder Contains option, we want to make sure that Contact Items is selected. Then click on OK. Now, the next step is going to be isolating our business contacts and moving them to our new file folder. And again, this is especially useful if you store both business and personal contacts within Outlook. So let's go ahead and click on the Contacts option. Here we see a list of all of our contacts. Now we must organize our contacts to ensure that we are exporting our business contacts and not our personal contacts. So to get started, click Tools and then choose Organize. Since you will be using folders for this process, make sure that you select the Using Folders tab. Additionally, make sure that Exportable Contacts, or the folder that you've created, is here in the drop-down menu. Now, we'll go ahead and begin organizing our contacts by selecting the contacts we wish to import. To do this, simply hold down the Control key on your keyboard and then left-click on each of the contacts you want to export. So we'll do these three right here. Now, once you've finished selecting all the contacts, come back up here and click on Move. And if we go over to our Exportable Contacts folder, we can see the contacts that we've just selected. So once we have moved all of our contacts into our isolation folder, we will next begin the process of exporting our records into an Excel spreadsheet. To do this, we'll simply click on the File menu and choose Import and Export. This will open the Import-Export wizard, which will guide us through the rest of this process. As you can see, there are many options available. Since we want to have our contacts contained within an Excel spreadsheet, we'll select the Export to File option, and then click Next. Now we must select the file format, which in this case will happen to be Microsoft Excel, so we'll click Microsoft Excel 97 to 2003, and then once again click Next. From here, we will select the file folder which we created earlier, the one named Exportable Contacts, and make sure it's highlighted. Once you have the desired folder selected, click Next. The final step in this process is selecting a file name and location. For simplicity's sake, we'll go ahead and save this to our desktop, and we'll give it a name, Importable Contacts. Click Next, and then click Finish. Now, once you have clicked on Finish, the wizard will begin exporting your records. This process can take anywhere from a few seconds to several hours, depending upon how many contacts you are exporting. Once the wizard finishes, you can now send your newly created Excel spreadsheet over to your representative at Streamline Solutions for final importation. Now, the final step really, once you have received assurance that your contacts have been successfully imported into your Microsoft Dynamics CRM deployment, you can come back here and actually delete this file folder that we've created. Now, please note that by doing this, you will be deleting all of your contacts from Outlook. Do not delete this folder unless you have received confirmation that your file has been successfully imported into your deployment of Microsoft Dynamics CRM. And to delete the folder, we're going to simply right-click and choose the delete option. And this will be deleting all the contacts that you have from within Outlook that's stored in this folder. Well, that's it. Easy as pie. Should you encounter any errors or have any additional questions, please contact the Streamline Solutions support team or contact your representative. From all of us here at Streamline Solutions, thanks for watching and welcome to Microsoft Dynamics CRM powered by Streamline Solutions.